The immune response to a hapten protein conjugate in order to get anti-hapten antibodies. It is essential that. See what happens? The haptens are not immunogenic on their own. So the antigen is not only immunogenic. There are certain chemicals found on the antigen surface. They are not immunogenic on their own. To make that substance, what we can call that one hapten, to make the hapten antigenic, it must be linked to a carrier molecule. Once it is linked to a carrier molecule, if the carrier molecule is immunogenic, then only it is possible to create antigen and antibody reaction. So I mentioned here haptens are small well defined chemical groups such as dinitrophenol, and they are not immunogenic on their own but will react with the preformed antibodies. Preformed antibodies means the antibodies already prepared in other organisms' body and then being transferred to the non-immune individuals to impart immunity. This is called preformed, that is antibodies. To make a hapten immunogenic, it must be linked to a carrier molecule which itself immunogenic. Okay, immunogenic and is recognized by helper T cells. This is one of the properties of what is called hapten. The protein is recognized by helper T cells. Protein is recognized by helper T cells. So hapten is nothing but actually well defined chemical group. It is not able to create what is called immunogenicity, but it should be made immunogenic only when it is normally that is combined with or linked with a molecule which itself is immunogenic. So the protein is recognized by the helper T cells. If the immune response to a hapten protein conjugate, in order to get anti-hapten antibodies, it is essential that the protein is recognized by the helper T cells. That is why we have to make the hapten immunogenic with the help of a linker molecule.